Over $20,000 was made today off of one trading setup on US30, and in this video I'm going to break down that setup for you guys. If you want to be a part of these live trading sessions that I host, make sure you follow me on Instagram or go to rorfx.com, link in the description. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe and like this video. It really does help a lot when you like this video so other traders can see these videos. Now without further ado, let's get into my computer. Before we get started, this is my new website. It is officially out with all my up-to-date products. FX University is now $97. That is a one-time fee. This is my top Forex course, great for any beginner trader. If you want to trade live with me every day and learn how to trade US30, I do have the live trading now open. And for my one-on-one mentorship, you have to go here to click get started, and you're gonna have to book a call with me. There should be a link on this page where you guys can sign up. If not, it is rorfx.com. I don't know about you guys, but I am a straight up quality guy. I like to focus on quality over quantity. And with trading, I think that is the best approach that you guys can have when it comes to actually making profitable trades. A lot of traders are focused on catching a large amount of trades versus a small amount of trades. And when it comes to trading, you cannot think of yourself as a machine gunner just busting all these rounds off. You need to think of yourself as a sniper. You're just super precise and you're boom. You get that one shot, one kill, and you are done. The same thing applies with trading. You need to just focus on your ideal setup. Really figure out what is my ideal setup, what makes me all warm and gooey inside, and where I can show up to the markets, and when I see that setup, I'm just 1000% confident and I know what's going to happen next. So that's what I focus on as a trader, just one setup at a time. And I don't mean like, oh, I have this setup and this setup and this setup. It's like I look for the same exact setup all the time. And it's very simple. I look for trending markets. When the market is just going up, when it's going down, forming lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, where I can just get into the market really quick and get out. Because I've noticed with very choppy markets, it's just going up and down, up and down. There's no overall trend. Therefore, a lot of the market momentum is going up a little bit. There's momentum going up, then momentum going down, then up and down, then up, then up and down. You guys get what I'm saying? But I like these trendy markets that are just really smooth because that gives me confirmation that we're in a specific trend and the market's most likely going to continue to go into that trend. And that's very important to understand because trading with the trend is ideally the best thing that you can do. They say the trend is your friend. Every one of you have probably heard of that term, the trend is your friend. And it's something that's told you guys so many times and you never really think about it on a deep level, but the market, when it's in a specific trend, that means that liquidity is being taken out or liquidity is being put into the markets within that trend. So right now we can see that liquidity is leaving the markets and the market is telling a story. What I like about US30, it's the Dow Jones and it correlates with the top 30 companies in America. So a lot of these companies, like if I go to this news event right here, Wall Street rally pauses after GDP revision. Wall Street opens lower as economic data, interest rates, inflation, economic data, renews rate hike worries. So a lot of people in America right now are really freaking out with this recession, with the inflation, with the interest rates, with just BIDEN being in office and doing all this crap. So that's something that we need to keep in mind, that the market's not going to be performing well if the economy is not doing well. Very, very key. You guys have to understand this stuff. So let's go over real quick the trade that we took and why I took it. Overall, I can see that the market had been consolidating throughout this range right here. Then it started to drop lower and lower. Once this low was broken right here, or actually let's use this trend line so it's more accurate. Okay. Once this low was broken right here, boom, that support, I knew that it was done so. It was just going to be a perfect sell once the market open actually came. And look at the candles, how they're just going lower and lower. So what I like to look for at the market open, very, very simple. I like to call my US30 strategy the KISS strategy. Keep it stupid simple, baby. That's the way it's got to be with everything in life. Don't overthink stuff. Just do it. What feels right, it will be right. What's not right, you already know. You'll have that weird gut feeling in your stomach. So what I like to look for is this candle before the market open on the minute 5, minute 15, minute 30. I like to look for either a bearish or bullish candle. And if I see we're already in a downtrend like we are here, and we see a bearish candle in that downtrend, I'm like, oh, market open, it's already showing us it's going to drop. It's just going to keep going with the momentum. That's exactly what happened today. After this candle closed, boom, just dropped right to this next level right here. Absolutely flawless. There's nothing about it. And yesterday, the same thing kind of did happen. We were already in an uptrend. This was Wednesday. I didn't really trade it, but maybe I did trade. But we had this bullish candle right here. And then what happened? It went bullish. It did drop a little more, but overall it shot up. It kept going with the trend. The overall trend was in an uptrend for higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Kept going up. So the same thing applied yesterday. So keeping it very, very simple, guys. I don't know if you guys ever do that where you like are talking and you burp randomly out of nowhere. Like it's 7 in the morning. I don't know why I would be burping when I haven't ate any food, drank anything. Weird. Our bodies are weird things, but they're amazing at the same time. So this is the trade that I took. This is overall the replay. Let me mark it up for y'all. So I saw this set up right here. When I like to enter after this candle when it has like 5 to 10 seconds left, because one thing that I used to do as a trader is, you guys know where the current price is on the candle will tell you, off a ticker they'll tell you how much time is left. But I used to enter a trade. I was like, oh, it has 2 minutes left. It's closing exactly how I need it to close. I'm going to enter right now. And then boom. And then it was closing the way that I wanted within those 2 minutes. And then the 2 minutes end and the candle closes and it shot up here. I'm like, what the heck? How did it move that much in 2 minutes? So that's why I tell you guys, like, enter into your position when the candle has 5 to 10 seconds left of time to expire, because you really need to make sure that candle is closing a specific way to get your confirmation. Okay? So we took this sell. I did have my stops right around here, just above this high, just to be safe. And I was like, you know what? I think this thing's going to really tank. I entered one position here. Then at the open of the market, it actually pushed up right back into the zone. And I entered one more position and then wrote it down to our TP. Here's the market open candle. Went in that one, sold right there, added another position as it shot up right here. And boom, TP hit within 15 minutes. And you know you are on the right side of the market when the markets are seeing a very quick reaction away from your entry that you entered at. Very clean trade today. I was absolutely amazed with what happened. And if you guys go to my Instagram, Colt_MostDef, you guys can see all the student results. We had a bunch of student results today. There's like 5 different students that made a good amount of money today. So that's what I wanted to go over, guys. Very simple. Hope you guys can take some knowledge from this video and apply it with your trading. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.